As soon as I log in, I see a beautiful dashboard coming in with the appointment screens. Now, here I see a beautiful colors. Now, this would be the same colors what we have on our EHR presently. We can have we do have the same concept. We can see the patient's name, the reason, and the status of each appointment with the text and the color onto it. As soon as I click on the arrow button, as soon as I tab on the arrow button, it gives me a patient banner, which brings me the photograph of the patients, the demographics, the insurance information, which is pretty good formatted. Now, this vital information have just one label information. As a doctor, I always love to see the a graphical comparison of this vitals. So I do have a graph button here. As soon as I tap on it, I see the graphical comparison of my entire vital recorded vitals here, which again works from left to right and top to bottom, which is in this simple way. I can review the entire vitals. Vital screen is here. Let's add the temperature. As I mentioned, I just need to gesture on my screen. But sometimes, as a doctor, I'm really not convenient using the gestures. So what happens? In this case, we do have a tabbing or typing functionality involved with this. Let's say I'm not able to use the sliders in this case. I'll go ahead and add what I wanted. There you go. So here the BMI has been calculated automatically. Now, let me go ahead and create a SIG for this. You would see a pretty good formatted machine view for your SIG. So you just need to go ahead and roll on your machine for creating your SIG. So that will be so easy for you as a doctor. Similarly, if I go to the medications, medication would have more information into it, and hence we have kept into the labeling structure, which will give you a complete information or the minimum information you would need at the first. So I can see the medication name, the SIG information, will know if this is signed. And if I tab this again, this would get expanded with more relevant information like the pharmacy information, when it was signed, what are the SIG information, and who was the provider who has done this prescription.
Here 5, that is besides the document and images, states the number of dates for which the documents have been captured for a patient. And these documents are stacked in such a manner that the documents captured for the same date appear beneath the same icon. So if I want to see the document date captured on the date the 21st of October, I'll just go ahead and tap on this button, and here it is. I can see it's an X-ray and the title is available on the top bar, and I can zoom it, drag it to the desired position and review it just like that. This is so simple.